Hi, I'm Amber de la Rosa. I'm with Central Texas Plant People. We started the plant swaps back in 2018 with a group of friends, back when plants were getting kind of expensive, and I had one plant, they had another plant. This guy is a pink princess philodendron that I got on the freebie table actually at this last plant swap. It looks like it's in a kind of hydroponic medium, but really healthy guy. You can see here it has a lot of aerial roots kind of throughout the plant. These are all indicators of a healthy plant, but it's also a good place to propagate. So you can always kind of come under one of these aerial roots and kind of chop it up right over here. I'm not gonna chop this guy up, but I will show you with another one. This guy right here, just kind of a basic philodendron, but also has a lot of aerial roots. We're gonna cut right underneath these aerial roots right here. And I did disinfect my scissors before I took off this morning. So I'm gonna chop right under there. So I'll typically kind of cut off these bottom leaves. That way the plant kind of has pushes more energy to kind of grow these roots, and then we'll submerge this bottom part into water. But these are kind of some of the easier plants to propagate. We'll stick them in water, and within a few weeks you'll start growing some roots. It'll look something like this. This is also something I got in our last plant swap. You can see how it's rooting very nicely. Once it has a little bit of a bigger root system, this is something that I will typically put in usually a mixture of perlite and coconut. This is probably a pretty good root system already, so I could probably put that in there. And I'll leave it till I see those roots pop out. Like I'll leave them in a clear container, and once I see the roots around the container, that's when I know that it'll be time to move it to like a bigger medium. This is another popular one amongst plant swaps. With this guy right here, we can literally kind of take, I usually just pinch them off, but pinch a little piece off, and I let them dry at least a day or two before I kind of I don't put them in water. I kind of let them sit on top of the dirt and mist them regularly. You can follow our page on Facebook. It's called Central Texas Plant People. It's a group, or follow us on Instagram at Central Texas Plant People. And you can also learn more about the plant swaps and any other events that we host there. For Backyard Basics, I'm Amber de la Rosa.